Hey guys, it's Allison. So today's gonna be a Shein haul. I'm super excited because I haven't ordered from Shein in a while. So we are going to open up this package. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Here is the big package. I ordered a lot of stuff. So if you guys want to see what I got from Shein, just keep on watching. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, like it, comment down below. Any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel. Turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And let's get started. So I got a lot of shirts, a lot of sweaters, and a couple miscellaneous things. So right on the top is 2 hairbrushes. They're like the travel hairbrushes with the mirror on it. So I got one of these because honestly, when I go to work, I don't comb my hair when I'm home. I do my hair at work. So this will be very helpful when I do my hair at work. So have that. Let's see what's in here. So this sweater says, "Pretty girls read books." I can't wait to wear this in one of my book videos, but yeah, it's just a simple black sweater with the letterings. Next is a t-shirt, and it says, "Yes, I'm tired. Mom 24/7. Literally. Next one, I think, is another t-shirt. Just a face with a rose. I thought this was really cute. I got this sticker, and this is Belle reading a book. And I'm gonna put this on my Kindle. Is this yellowish nude white cream color shirt, and it says "Do not disturb." Yes, do not disturb. That's what I used to have my phone on all the time before I met my fiance, and now I don't have it on do not disturb. Next is a bookmark for my books. I'm super excited. Let me open it because you can't see what it says. So it says, "Shh, I'm reading," and then it has a little book hanging. I thought it was super cute. And I need a bookmark for my books. I get bookmarks from the book of the month, but they're like paper ones, and they're always getting messed up. This is another shirt. Where am I going to put all this stuff? Don't ask me. I don't know. So next shirt is this one, and I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. I'm super excited. It has a rainbow in the front, and in the back it says, "Dear tiny human behind me, you have a voice, you are valued, you are loved, you are respected, you belong here, you are worth it, you matter, you are important." I think this one's a sweater. It seems heavier. Oh no, it's another t-shirt. It says Brooklyn, New York City. And it's like a indent kind of thing, so it's like lifted. And this is like a green, army green color. The fact that Shein be packing mad stuff in a box is literally super duper crazy. Ooh, sweater. Ooh, I don't know about this color. I thought this was gonna be like an off green. Like, you see it on the screen and it looks like an off green. It says Cool Moms Club, but like in person, it's literally green. I don't know how I feel about that, but still cute anyways. Another sweater. Okay, so this is a zip up. Need more zip ups. I'm always wearing sweaters, different color sweaters to school, and I needed a gray one, so here is the zip up, simple zip up hoodie. Oh dang, I thought this was a sweater. Or did I? I don't even know. I thought this was a sweater, but it's a t-shirt, but it's fine. It says Mama with the cherry, and this is like a springish type shirt. Another miscellaneous thing. This is just a little pouch to put anything you want. I have different colors in that. I got a black one, but they have pink and white. Next is another zip-up sweater, and this one doesn't have a hoodie. So I've been into pink recently. I don't know why, but it's crazy because before I didn't like pink, but as soon as my daughter was born, everything is pink. I'm like, black or pink. Yeah, let's choose pink. I always choose black. This is another pink item, and it's a t-shirt that says Chosen, 1 Peter chapter 2 verse 9. And what size is this? I'm pretty sure all these shirts I got in a small. This one seems huge, but that's okay, because I usually use these shirts to like sleep in and stuff like that. So ooh, I'm excited for this one. This is for my daughter, and it says, well, it has a crown in the front, In the back it says, daughter of the king, who is not moved by the world, for my God is with me and goes before me. I do not fear, because I am this. 2 Corinthians 6:18. So this is gonna be very cute. Just with flowers on it, black t-shirt, simple. This is super cute. When I saw it, I was like, I have to get this. It says, a book a day keeps the mental breakdown away. True. It says, read more, cry less. Cute. Next miscellaneous thing is clips. My package came just on time because some of these things are for tomorrow's little thing at school. Another shirt or sweater. No, I think we're done with the shirts. Ooh, can't wait for this one. This one says, sorry, I'm booked. And then the flowers are coming out of the book. Super duper cute. And I love this heather gray. I'm in love. Next item is another t-shirt, a bookish t-shirt. And it just has books and flowers. Oh, there's a theme. A lot of flowers and books. And this is also in that gray color. Another black t-shirt. I love black. And this just has a bow. Simple, cute. I'm gonna link all these items down below if you guys want to get them. But yes. Another little t-shirt for my daughter. It says, kind Luke 6:27 with a bow. And in the back, God says, I am strong, accepted, bold, redeemed, protected, courageous, kind, capable, and loyal. Next is a little tote bag. It says, Jesus loves you. Love one another as I have loved you. John 13:34. Cute. Another tote bag that says, my weekend is fully booked. I'm definitely going to bring this when I go to like Barnes & Nobles or like I go out. This is going to be a little tote. Blue sweater. Gotta get different colors like I said. This is the same one as the pink one, but in this blue color, navy color. Last thing in the box is another t-shirt. And it is Los Angeles with a car. I just wanted to get something different. So yes, and look at this gray color. It's like different from the other grays. But yeah, that was literally everything. I can't even carry everything, but that was everything in this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.